Assalamu alaikum student. This is our sixth video of chapter 15 scarcity of water. इस वीडियो में हम कंप्लीट करेंगे एक्सरसाइज डी के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द वाटर कंजर्वेशन? गिव एनी 3 मेथड्स यूज टू कंजर्व वाटर. हेडिंग कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाटर. हेडिंग सेंट्रलाइज कीजिएगा. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाटर मीन्स careful and economical use of water. Second heading, 3 methods used to conserve water. Number 1, we should start recycling of water at home. For example, water used in cleaning utensils can be used to water plants in the garden instead of being poured down the drain. Point number 2, building dams on rivers helps store flood water for use during dry periods. Point number 3, we can prevent water pollution by not allowing domestic sewage and industrial waste to pass into rivers or ponds. Question number 3, explain different uses of water. Heading, uses of water. Water is useful to us in many other ways. Every day we use water for different purposes. These can be broadly classified into 3 types. Heading number 1, agricultural use. In Pakistan, the major portion of water is used in agriculture. Monsoon in the country is predictable. Therefore, irrigation channels have been set up to bring water to the farmlands. Second heading, industrial use. Water is used for different purposes in all types of industries. Full stop. Most of the industries take out groundwater and surface water. The demand for water has increased in recent years because of the rapid growth of industries. Third heading, domestic use. Some of the most important uses for water are at our homes. Water required for household use is called domestic water. All the things you do at home, for example, drinking, preparing food, bathing, washing clothes and dishes, brushing your teeth, watering the yard and garden, and even washing the dog need domestic water. Question number 4. Write a short note on underground water. Heading, underground water. Rainfall provides fresh water to our planet. Most of the rainwater runs off the Earth's surface, forming rivers and streams, and flows to the oceans. Some of the rainwater passes through the soil into the non-porous rock beneath. This stored water is called underground water. Underground water is also called groundwater or aquifer. The level of underground water is called water table. ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर एंड होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में डायग्राम ड्रॉ होगी 15.5 ग्राउंड वाटर, पेज नंबर 165. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, what are the causes for the scarcity of water in some places in Pakistan? Heading, causes of scarcity of water. Some causes of the scarcity of water are discussed here. Number 1 heading, increasing population. Increasing in population increases the demand for more water. Construction of houses, shops, offices, roads. etc. decreases open areas like parks, gardens, and playgrounds. Second heading, increasing industries. Water is required for all kinds of industries. The number of industries is increasing day by day. Therefore, there is an increasing need for water. Next heading, increasing agricultural activities. Due to population pressure, agricultural activities are increased. So for irrigating crops, farmers need more water. Next heading, uneven rainfall. Around the world, there are some places that have excessive rainfall every year and some areas have very low rainfall. This uneven rainfall causes floods in some areas and droughts in some other areas. Heading, water pollution. Water is polluted by domestic sewage and industrial waste. Some factories and industries are located near rivers. They pour their harmful industrial waste into river water. This further reduces the availability of fresh water.